Good morning guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is day one of the Terrengganu Surf Competition. So let's not waste any time chit-chatting, let's head straight down to the beach and check out what's going on. Okay guys, so we are here now at the Terrengganu Surf Competition. I'm hoping it's really windy, so I'm hoping my dead cat's gonna knock all that out. You can see that the camera's shaking on the tripod like crazy. So the first part of the competition today is literally just the Terrengganu closed, so it's only the guys from Terrengganu that will be competing. Later this afternoon is going to be the Malaysia Open, so it's going to be all the guys from Johor, Langkawi, Sheraton, so it's got everyone from all over Malaysia who's going to be competing in the Open later on. My friend Lala, who I'm actually going to bring on and do a little interview with later on, he's actually the coach of Malaysia surf team, so I'm going to do a little interview with him later on, explain a little bit about what the competition is and about other competitions and about surfing in Malaysia. For now guys, we're just going to carry on watching the surfing, get some videos of the surfers. Now the water's really choppy, so it's really hard to be able to see when the guys are taking off, to be able to actually get them on camera. So if you do see any videos of people surfing, that is literally just last minute me clicking onto them, because you can only see them when it's stood up because it's so choppy out there. It's really hard for the guys to be surfing today as well, because the waves are so choppy. So it's a real challenge for them guys going out and taking part today. I don't think I'm going to be going out today, because obviously because the competition's on. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Let's keep it going. So we've just stopped for the it's the prayer break. So obviously all the guys go and pray through the break. Obviously because we are in a Muslim country, and it's what they do, which is really cool. I think that they've got the sort of to do that. But yeah, so we've stopped for some lunch at the guy's house here. They've got a house that they are staying in, and they're cooking us some food. What are we having?
Cooking really.
Yeah?
And veggie, egg with black pepper sauce, and fish with the pineapple.
Nice.
And ready, we wait for rice.
Rice?
Ready, we eat.
Perfect.
Oh, almost ready, yeah?
So yeah, we'll have a little bit of food, then head out for the second part. So obviously the first part of the competition was the Terrengganu close, which was just for the guys in Terrengganu, like I said earlier. And later on, which is going to be the second half, is the heats for the Malaysia Open. So it's all the guys from Malaysia, all the different states and stuff, where we're competing in the Open. And we're going to head down, try and get some really good footage of that. It's really hard to get some good footage of the surfing this morning because the waves are all over the place. But yeah, it's awesome. Right guys, we're here with...
Already?
Yeah.
Again.
We're here with Lala Loco, the president of the Johor Surf Association, and also the Malaysia Surf Coach.
Yeah.
And also my friend.
Okay.
Yeah, Oli
So,
Loco.
thank you, Oli. I'm Lala Loco from the
president of Johor Surfing Association. So also Malaysian surfing team for the coach.
Yeah.
Head coach, yeah.
So tell us about the competition today.
So I'm so glad because we got invited from the Johor team to the competition in Terrengganu. So I think it's gonna be good competition for them because this is our first competition in the outside in the state from Johor.
Yeah.
So in Terrengganu, so we hope we get some good score here and then bring some medal to Johor.
Yeah. You're going to bring the medal home. You're surfing as well, right?
Yeah, we try my best and then with my athlete also from Johor, so why not? Yeah, we hope also for the Johor.
Yeah, let's go. Right, we're with Emmy as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell us about Emmy.
So Emmy is our best in the Johor Surfing Association
Yeah.
because Emmy is grow in Tanjung Balang because close to the beach. So this the best surfer in Johor now.
Yeah. How old are you?
23.
23.
Yeah.
Are you going to win gold? Gonna try?
Yeah, just
Yeah, we're way behind you.
Yeah.
We're all from Johor. We're all the Johor Surf
Yeah.
Association.
Ale ale.
So we're gonna.
Yes. Bam
Okay.
lagi.
Best of luck to you. Best of
Yeah.
luck to you. I'm gonna be watching.
So
I'm
Emmy,
gonna be filming
bring
it.
something to Johor Baru, okay? For the
Yeah.
Johor, yeah.
And we'll all see you down on Wildcore for some more videos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good.
So cool, yeah.
Cool. Easy.